And I'm Ariel Chunks.
Today we're going to do the ice cream challenge and the water challenge. But first we need to finish our ice cream and start our ice cream challenge. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, we're in school now, so it's too noisy.
You win it. Pause.
Since I'm the winner, she's still eating her ice cream.
Oh.
Unfortunately, I can't eat because mine is already half.
No.
Okay. Okay, we're going to do the water challenge. We're still chewing the phone. Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, I'm going to do it first. Before we start, the instructions to do the water challenge is
And there's some rules.
there's the instruction. You just need to put water in your
And do not
and don't
drink it.
directly until 1 minute. You count it.
Just
okay?
store it
To
in your
1
mouth.
60.
And there's some rules.
I just said the rules.
Okay.
Okay, let's get started. This video is crazy. Don't look at me. Okay, I'm done.
Sige, go. Let's go.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So, bye.
Okay, that's all. Bye. And please be sure to like and comment and subscribe.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel
Make your friends.
and my channel, Ariel Shop.
Thank you. And please be sure to follow us on our social media. My Instagram account is Nikki.Friends and my Twitter account is @NikkiMeeper and
Chisharia.
Twitter.
Chisharia Barodumana. Thank you. Bye.
Nah.
Atik much.